Hello YouTube, this is Lisa. I hope everyone is having a wonderful day. I'm doing great. I am running out here real quick and check on things, and it's raining. It's raining. I got to go in. But I wanted to check on some things. Because I thought might be some stuff that I was going to need to harvest. Look at this tomato. It fits in the palm of my hand. It's big. And there's a bunch of them all through here that I think will probably need to be harvested. But I think I'm gonna leave them because they are firm and I think they're good. Look at these big huge leaves on this Romanesco. Sweet potatoes. Green beans in here. Green beans everywhere. All in here. All back in there. Green beans. They're all in here. And they were laying all over these onions. And it was a great big ant situation going on right here. And I had to get those up, these green beans up, so that because the ants was crawling on them. So I put these little trellises to hold them back so they would not be bothered by the ants anymore. Look at these onions. They will be ready to be harvested next week. That one's big. Tomatoes. But this is a Paul Robertson. It's got little tomatoes all over it. There's one. These are some little ones. So I think it's good. Those are the butter beans. And they're growing all up that trellis. I planted that tomato the other night, and I planted that one the other night. And I'm gonna let this one grow up this trellis. Look at my cantaloupes and my honeydew melons and my watermelons. Yep. That one over there, it was one right there. He's gone to glory. I don't know what happened to him, but he is out of here. So I'm gonna walk over here and look at these real quick. My sister got a okra out of the garden yesterday, and she said it was really good. And there's another one. I am going to get it. See it? I'm gonna get this okra. Look at that okra. And I'm gonna eat it before I go in the house. Do y'all do that? Do y'all eat your okra in the garden? I do that. You should try it. It's good. They are good. Straight out the garden. There's another one. I might go ahead and take him too. These are red ones, and they still need a little time. They're the red burgundy okra. These are dwarf. I'm gonna go ahead and take him because I'm not gonna be able to get out here tomorrow. And if you do not get these, they will get away from you. They will get away from you. Look at those tomatoes back there. Big, huge tomatoes. That's the early girl. This is a brandy wine, and I am so proud of it because I did not get one to produce last year. So is that one. No brandy wine last year, 2022, but it's going to be a bunch of them in 2023. These are my cayenne peppers. And I think I'm gonna let these stay out here a little while longer. And something ate that right there. And all I see is one little bite in it, and I bet that's all it could stand. Cause these things get hot. I think this is a Paul Robeson. And it looks good. Those are my tomatoes. They look good. I put Epsom salt in the hole when I'm planting my tomatoes, and I never really had problems with the blossom end rot since I started doing that. And some people told me that it's a myth, that it doesn't work, but I haven't had blossom end rot ever since I started doing that. Look at the bees. It's raining out here, but the bees are still busy. They're having fun. So I'm gonna go over here to my cucumbers because I saw one last night that I thought was gonna be ready today. Now I know y'all gonna fuss at me because I ain't got my gloves on. There's a cucumber back there, and I need to get him today. Look at that. My first cucumber for 2023. This is a beet alpha. Yes, it is. Beet alpha. Cucumber. First one, 2023. Oh my goodness. Look at this one. I didn't even see him. I think this is a straight 8. That's a straight 8. I gotta look at him and tell. Straight 8. Look at him. He'll be ready. And right back there, I don't know why it's all blurred, but I got to go in, y'all. It's raining. Y'all please don't fuss at me for being out here without my gloves on. Look at that. Another straight 8. Cucumber. Straight 8. Look at that. Straight 8. It was caught in the trellis. That's why it looks like that. So I've got to go in, y'all. I've got to go in. It's raining. I don't see any more cucumbers. But I'm gonna go over here and look at these tomatoes real quick. And then I'm going in. Look at them. Look at that. Look at that. Look. Son down at the bottom. I'm gonna pick him. I'm gonna get him. I'm gonna get that. And I'm finna eat it right now. Super sweet 100. It's not super sweet, but it's a good tomato. Cherry tomato. This one is honeycomb. I've already been eating off this. I'm gonna get that one too. Honeycomb. I'm gonna try it. Oh, now that's sweet. Oh yeah. Ooh wee. That honeycomb I just ate. That's what that is. That's what these two plants are. Honeycomb. Look at all those tomatoes. This is a prolific plant. Y'all should try these. Ooh, I can't wait till the rest of them good. Ready. But y'all, I got to go. I gotta go. It's raining. And I know I'm wet. I got to get out the rain, y'all. I appreciate you all hanging out with me as I walk through the garden. But I knew it was some stuff out here that I needed to get. But you all stay safe. You stay well. And I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.